Good morning. Today I am going to have a bit of an adventure. Something brand new that I've never done before. I am using my senior citizen OAP bus pass for the very first time. So I'm in Horncastle in Lincolnshire, very rural, and I'm going to the seaside. So I'm going to go to Skegness on the bus. 38 stops, use my bus pass. I'm going to see if I can do some pensionary things. Never done them before. It's got to be worth a look, hasn't it? So anyway, I'll be on the bus shortly, I hope, if I'm going to the right place. And I'll keep you informed. Hopefully this is the right bus stop. I think this is oh, it is Jubilee Way. So give this a go. We're about half an hour in. Now stopped in Spilsby. I got on very nice. I was driving through the country. It's funny what you can see from the top of the bus. I think I might do the singing. If you've got any suggestions where you'd like me to go, then please add them in the comments below. That'd be great. So here we are then at Skegness seafront. I've walked up from the bus station and I understand now why they say things like, well, they never say things like pretty as a bus station. So clock tower behind me. Now behind me is down to the sea. Behind me now is the Adventure Park Embassy Theatre. I'm going to have a walk around and show you some of the things that I can see. second day trip I've had here. I've had a walk around. It's second week in September, so some of the places are a bit quieter, but it's still very, very busy. I can see the appeal, and I can see why people slate the place. But actually, so far, it's been alright. And I've had a look around and have a proper seaside day, and then get the bus back. So anyway, I hope you're enjoying the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave some comments down below and say if there's somewhere that you want me to go on the bus. Leave it in the comments and I'll see if I can do it. I'm now going to drink my Moretti and have another walk around. See you in a bit. Finally managed to get on the open top bus. Beautiful sunny day. This goes out to Butlins or Ringham or somewhere. I'm going to go do a full circuit and I'm going to get some lunch. So why don't we have a little bit of doing other things as well. They've got to have their rules, haven't they? I got on 2 stops ago because I wanted to go around and do the full trip. The driver going, "You've got to go off, mate, this is terminus." I said, "I only just got on." "What do you mean you only just got on?" "Well, 2 stops ago." "Well, this is the terminus, you've got to get off." So I got off, went to the back of the queue, got back on again. I'm sat exactly where I was. So I hope there's only one terminus because I don't want to get off again. I just want to go and do the ride around. So it might be an hour, and then I can go for lunch. But I'm still sat in the sun, I'm having a nice time. Am I moaning? Yeah, I suppose a bit. But that's what you do, isn't it? Right, see you in a bit. Skegness, good for a day out, probably good for an overnight. Lots of places to eat. You do see some sights, so I guess you've got to be selective. I've enjoyed it. Open top bus, fish and chips, had a pint. I rather like having my bus pass.